Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Kraken pool in Fisch. First, you need to travel to the Atlantis location within the game. This area holds the key to unlocking the pool, which involves solving a unique puzzle. You'll be looking for special clock wheels scattered throughout Atlantis. Finding and correctly setting these 5 clocks is essential to gain access. Get ready to explore and uncover the secrets of this underwater realm. Once you arrive in Atlantis, your quest begins by finding the first 4 mythological clock wheels. Each clock requires a specific symbol to be selected. Carefully navigate the area to locate the Poseidon, Zeus Trial, Sunken Depths, and Ethereal Abyss clocks. Setting these correctly is crucial, as they will pave the way for the final step to unlock the Kraken pool. Take your time to ensure each symbol is precisely aligned. After successfully activating the initial 4 clock wheels, the final, 5th clock will become accessible. This important clock is located near the entrance to the Kraken pool itself. Approach it and carefully set its hand to the red spear symbol. Once this last clock is correctly aligned, the grand door to the Kraken pool will open, granting you access to this mysterious new area. You are almost there. Congratulations! With the Kraken pool now open, you can dive in and explore its depths. This exclusive area offers unique fishing opportunities, allowing you to catch rare fish species not found elsewhere. Be sure to look for the Kraken rod, a highly sought-after item available within the pool. This rod boasts impressive stats and abilities, making your fishing adventures even more rewarding. Enjoy your time in the Kraken pool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.